Hi, so recently I've made some really nice for me solves of the Rubik's Cube, and the solutions are quite unique, so I wanna show some of my solves. And the first one is uh, like this is a scramble. So four cross pieces are here, and I make this yellow cross, and then I notice this pair, and it's inefficient to solve such type of pairs, but I do it, and it's some really good look ahead, and it splits these two, so it's inefficient, but it was fast. The next pair I do is this, and then this. I get this easy OLL with a parallel skip. That solve was 10.05. Now going on to the next one. Here I made a white X cross. So you see these pieces and this edge in the corner. So I do it like this. Then this awkward free mover. The next thing I do is this. Then U2 and this. Unite these pieces and get this OLL, but I just do it with COLL that skips me PLL. So even though I spent some time recognizing the COLL, it ended up being 10.43. The next solve is 12.22, which is also really good for me, but it's not as fast. But the thing is, the solution is really interesting, so I also want to make a reconstruction for this one. So here I make a white cross, and it goes like this. Now align with the centers. And the first pair I do is this. Next I do these pieces, so this time I rotate, then this, and these two pieces are done in this unusual way, and this is a one look last layer case. I know this one and finish it like this. And the last solve I want to show in this video is 8.85, which is at some point my PB, and you can see how easy the scramble is. So I do these two pieces, and I don't complete the cross. Now rotate and see how easy the pairs are. And I still don't complete the cross because I make these two pieces and put them into the correct spot. And only now I finish the cross. And then I rotate. I know two rotations is inefficient, at least for me. And now, instead of doing it like this, I made a sledgehammer, which gave me a soon, and then T-perm. Nice. It's really cool if you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching, bye.